Looking for the perfect mirrorless camera in 2025? Today we're ranking the top 5 from budget-friendly to pro-level beasts, so stick around to find out which one truly delivers. Kicking things off at number 5, we have the Canon EOS R50. It's a great entry point for beginners stepping into the world of mirrorless cameras. Small, stylish, and easy to use, this one's perfect if you're switching from a smartphone or starting your YouTube channel. The R50 comes with a 24 megapixel sensor and Canon's fast dual pixel autofocus, so photos and videos look clean and crisp even when you're filming yourself. You get oversampled 4K video and Canon's signature color science, two big pluses. And the vari-angle screen is super useful for vlogging or getting creative angles. But like most beginner kits, there are trade-offs. There's no in-body image stabilization, which means you'll feel those camera shakes if you're shooting handheld. The kit lens is also pretty slow, especially in low light, and the autofocus isn't as powerful as what you'll see on higher-end models. That said, if you're just starting out or need a camera that's easy to carry and simple to learn, this is a fantastic option. Oh, and don't forget, we've dropped links to all the cameras in this video at the best available prices right below in the description. Coming in at number 4 is the Fujifilm X-T32. If you love the look of classic film cameras but want digital performance, this one's for you. It packs a punch in a compact retro-styled body and delivers incredible JPEG colors straight out of the camera. What makes the Fuji stand out is its unique color profiles and fast burst shooting, up to 30 frames per second in crop mode. It's great for casual shooting, travel, and street photography. Plus, it has a solid autofocus system and some impressive slow motion video options at full HD. But again, there's no in-body stabilization, which limits handheld video or low-light shooting unless you've got a stabilized lens. And unlike some competitors, the screen only tilts. It doesn't fully flip out. So if you're into vlogging, that might be a deal breaker. This one's ideal for photography lovers who care more about image quality and aesthetics than modern bells and whistles. And hey, if you're enjoying this breakdown so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dive camera reviews. Sliding into the number 3 spot is the Sony Alpha 7 IV. Now we're talking full frame. This one's built for hybrid shooters, whether you're snapping high-res portraits or filming professional-looking video. With its 33 megapixel sensor, it delivers incredible detail and dynamic range. The autofocus is Sony's signature real-time eye tracking, which locks onto your subject fast, people, pets, or birds. You also get 4K 60p video, although it uses a crop, and 7K oversampling at 30p for amazing clarity. The downside? That cropped 4K 60p can be limiting for wide shots, and while the kit lens is decent, it's not exactly exciting, slow aperture and average optics. Also, it's a bit heavier than the APS-C model, so keep that in mind for travel. Overall, this is a powerful all-rounder for serious hobbyists or content creators who want to step up in quality without going full cinema rig. At number 2, we have the Panasonic LUMIX S5 RX. This camera is a powerhouse for video creators. It's built like a tank and is jam-packed with features that cater to filmmakers, vloggers, and anyone serious about content production. What makes it shine is the 6K video RAW and ProRes options and its internal cooling system, so you can shoot for hours without worrying about overheating. Add to that its in-body stabilization, and you've got smooth cinematic shots even handheld. The autofocus is also much improved thanks to Panasonic finally adding phase detection. But it's not light, it's noticeably heavier and bulkier than the others on this list, and the screen articulation can be a little annoying if you're running a bunch of cables. Still, for pure video performance at this price, it's unmatched. If you're doing weddings, interviews, short films, or YouTube full-time, this camera gives you pro-level features without the cinema camera price tag. And finally, taking the crown as our number 1 pick, the Nikon Z6 III. This is a serious hybrid camera that bridges the gap between photo and video in a way that's smart, fast and frankly really fun to use. It offers high-speed shooting with up to 20 raw frames per second and Nikon's best autofocus yet, adapted straight from their flagship models. The 6K and 4K video options, combined with powerful stabilization, give you pro-grade footage with ease. And the viewfinder, bright, sharp, and best in class. It's a bit heavier than some might like, and the video formats like NRAW might be overkill if you're just starting out. But if you want one camera that can do nearly everything, this is the one to beat. Whether you're shooting sports, weddings, documentaries, or just need a beast of a camera that won't let you down, this one deserves the top spot. There you have it, the best mirrorless cameras you can buy right now. Check out the links in the description to see today's best deals on every model we covered. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.